I'm going to do a little experiment here with the Supreme glitter gels. I'm just going to get a silicone nail art mat here, just like a small one, and some of the rose gold Supreme glitter gel. I'm going to use a square brush. I'm going to take some out of the lid here, and I'm going to do a thin layer of this rose gold. I'm just overdoing it now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cure that in the light. I'm just going to kind of pick it up and see how the light comes through it. I'm just going to go over really gently back this way. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to cure that in the UV light. Now, while I'm waiting for that to cure, I'm going to use this Tin Man colored gel and one of my INT brushes. I'm going to do a couple coats of this. Okay, so I'm going to cure that. Now, while that's curing, I'm going to remove the inhibition layer from this Supreme glitter gel, and I'm going to peel it off of my mat. So what I was curious about is just how flexible those Supreme glitters are. And what I'm going to do is try to cut it. Okay. So it looks like the Tin Man is cured. I'm just going to give him one more coat. And cure that. The next thing I'm going to use is this Classic Builder. And I'm choosing it because it's kind of thick and a little bit sticky. If you can kind of see when I pick it up, it has some resistance to it. And I'm going to pick up some of the strips that I've cut and just stick them on, kind of like striping tape, or if you were to oh, it was upside down, there we go. And then I'll just cut off the excess that I don't need there. So I'll give it a cure first and then I'll cut off the excess. So I'll just grab my scissors and just clip the piece that I don't need on both sides. I'm just going to take another little piece of builder. So this is my first time just kind of experimenting with it. So I'm just going to smooth it out a little bit. There we go, and I'll give that a little cure. I'll just remove a little bit of that inhibition layer. And just file that edge a little bit. And then I can give it a buff and top coat it. So now that I have given it a little buff, I'm going to put the gloss top on it. And then I've made myself some striping tape made out of gel.